Hey guys, I am Janit Kaushik and today I'll tell you another horror story which I read recently. This story starts from a village called Binola and it was in Bihar. So there were four families living in that village in a small hut. Near that village there was a huge cave which was closed for many years. One day, the siblings were playing with the ball, and suddenly the ball went into that cave. The boy went to fetch the ball, and what the sister got to know that the brother didn't came till now. Then it was an hour, 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours. So the whole day passed. The brother didn't came out. Second day, then the brother also didn't came out. Sister was waiting, sitting on a rock, waiting for her brother to come back. Then the third day, she decided to go in that cave, and very courageously she went into that cave. So then she went in the entry gate of the cave. She entered. She found two doors. She saw that the one door was open. She went into that door. Again, she found three doors. Then she opened one of the doors. Then bats came out from that room. She was little scared. And then she went into that room. And it was very dark in that room. So she looked as it was dark in the room. She couldn't see anything. So she touched the walls to find out that where's my brother. Then suddenly she saw a cushion kind of stuff. She grabbed it. She felt that it was a leg. Then she touched upwards. Then she found out it was hand. Then again it was the face, male face. Then she clicked. The mind clicked it, and she thought that it might be her brother. Then she was very scared that how did that happen. So the yellow eyes was the rays from was coming back from her back of the body. She turned around. Then game over. The man killed that girl. I hope you like the story. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.